If you want to start using crazy domains, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a CNAME record in crazy domains. Before we get started, make sure you purchase a domain from Crazy Domains because accessing the DNS settings requires ownership of a domain. While I can show you every step visually, I'll guide you through it clearly, so listen carefully. First, go to crazydomains.com and log in with your account credentials. So once logged in, navigate to domain section in your dashboard. So assuming we have a domain in here. So to access DNS settings, select the domain name where you want to add the CNAME record, and then click on DNS settings or DNS manager. This may vary slightly depending on your interface. So if DNS management is not active, you might need to activate it to ensure that your name servers are pointed to crazy domains. In order to add a CNAME record in the DNS manager, look for the options to add a new record. From the drop-down menu, select CNAME record and then fill in the following fields. For the hostname, enter the subdomains or alias, and then for the target, enter the destination domain, and then for the TTL, leave it as a default or set a custom value, and then after that, click save or add record to complete the process. Now, to verify the CNAME record, wait a few minutes for the change to propagate. Use an online tool like What's MyDNS.net to check if the CNAME record is properly pointing to the target domain. And that's it. That's how you add a CNAME record in Crazy Domains. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.